beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Today we are back with another video, and today's hair is provided by Alipearl hair. Now they sent me over this beautiful box with a silk wrap cap, melt band, lashes, edge brush, a bag to store your wig, and of course this 6x6 pre-cut, ready to wear, ready to go 6x6 HD closure wig, and it already has the body curls in it. So all you have to literally do is just put this wig on, style, and go. So today we'll be doing a quick wig install, and I'm going to show you guys how I created my look. Very simple. I did not do a ball cap method because we are not using any glue or gel or anything. I just will be using a little holding spray. So I'm applying that foundation on the inside of my cap and on my lace. Then I will place the wig sideways on my head to create a deep side part. And if you guys notice, I took a little bit of my real hair in my sideburn area and I kind of pre-curled it because I'm going to be using my real sideburn as my sideburn area swoop versus cutting the baby hair on that side and swooping it down. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and create my side part. And I'm kind of finger combing out the curls. And y'all, when I tell y'all this wig was a very quick install, like a super quick install and a beautiful look. Okay, so I'm just parting off my, side part. I'm giving myself a nice little curved part. Then I'm going to sleek everything down with my hot comb, and a little heat protectant, wax stick or whatever to get it nice and sleek. Then once I finish with those, parting areas, I will cut the area for my baby hair right at the temple area, curl that up. And then I'm going to add just a little light layer to the little side where my bang will be. And the install will be like so quick and so simple and so easy. Like literally, y'all, under 10 minutes, like no lie, like under 10 minutes. So just stay tuned to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, learn something quick, simple and easy, and get ready for this quick slay. So at this point, what I'm doing now is just curling up the baby hairs. I haven't even tacked the wig down at all right now, you guys. So all I literally do is just, all I really have is just this wig on my head, which I will secure with a little bit of holding spray in my little bang area. And of course, me swooping my baby hairs with the holding spray will also help it melt. But I just went in with a little light layers towards the top of the wig. So my bang can, lay nice and layered. So I just did a little angle cutting a little bit just for that bang area. And I'm just curling it away from my face. And then I'm going to comb all that into place with a layer comb. But you guys see how pretty and full these curls are that already came inside the wig. Like once you comb it out, it does give everything it needs to give, okay? And then I'm going to go in and, swoop up my baby hair using my natural hair for my sideburn. I'm going to swoop that as well and just get everything smooth and sleek into place. So as you can see, I'm just swooping using that even holding spray, and that's my real hair that I'm swooping right there for the sideburn. So you guys can definitely use this method where you leave out your real natural sideburn and use especially if you're doing like a closure install and you do want to have like that deep side part look. You can try that little hack right there, and I'm telling you, y'all, like you can't even tell the difference between the real hair, my real hair in the wig. Like it's like the perfect blend look that I created for my style. And then I just took a little bit of that heathen forgive me, y'all, that even spray and spray the top of the lace by my bang area and just blow dry that on in. And for the most part, all I have to do now is just conceal up my part, you know, play and comb the curls until I get my desired look. Smooth and sleek everything down, and then I will be done. And now it's time to just go ahead and add my concealer. And because I didn't do the ball cap method, you can see the little line of where my cap is, and that's why I'm really going in with that foundation to kind of, you know, camouflage it a little bit better. And here is the finishing look after I went ahead and concealed up the part. When I tell y'all, this is the perfect throw on and go wig application, like the perfect ready to go wig. Like, we love a wig when you ain't got to do too much. It's definitely giving leave out. Definitely giving natural with the natural sideburn out, like just blending how it's supposed to. So this was a very quick glueless wig install. Y'all know I've been coming through with the glueless looks, but let me know how y'all feel down below in the comments. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, check out those description details down below so y'all can get you one of these. It's a chicken salad. All right, y'all. Bye.